everyone, this is Renegade with the Ghost Recon Squad coming at you with a Airsoft unboxing. Here we have from Airsoft Atlanta, which came in the USPS, obviously, a Prometheus hop-up tensioner. I don't know if you can see that. It's very small, minuscule. It goes where the hop-up nub goes. It's to replace it. It acts as a flat hop mod and an H nub in one. And here's the packaging that it comes in. Nothing special, but these things are said to work miracles in a gun, so I figured might as well try it out. Then from over here we have Evike. A lot of stuff from these guys. Well, for me at least. Got a rubber bayonet. I figured I've gotten close enough to people where this might come in handy. So why not try it out? Simple. They say it's MOLLE ready. If you consider MOLLE ready to flap around on your vests, then go for it. Personally, too much noise. Right here is some Moondog Industries defog spray. I read some reviews on it. Said that it works really well. The only con that people could come up with is the fact that everyone's going to want to use some, so hopefully that's true. Then this right here is the GMP Magwell grip. Very well made. All you have to do is pull it apart, slide it on your magwell, clamp down, tighten the screws, you're good to go. Then, just standard GMP black metal flash hider. Then right here is an NC Star tri-rail carry handle mount. And just as an example, this rail that goes up here, except I have it on backwards, there we go. Rail that goes right there. So this is very well built, full metal, sturdy. Once you put it on, it does not move. Then right here we have a very, very nice piece of equipment. I believe this is the Matrix military type 30mm red dot and green dot scope. It's zero magnification, just a standard red dot. Uses two LR44 batteries and let's say 2 brightness settings for both colors. And it comes with quick detach low profile mount, star screw, key, and the covers. I've had trouble with that one. This one, no problem. So then a microfiber red dead rag from Evike as well. Then I got an Allen key with one of these items. I don't remember which one now, so that came with one of them. And that came with this mini microfiber towel came with the red dot. Then here we have a Matrix, I'll say stainless steel. Stainless steel? Just steel. Just steel type. Steel Prometheus type inner barrel. Let's see if we can get this in. There we go. Generally the inner barrel will come with 2 plastic caps on either end, just to give a little bit of a buffer, I guess. Help keep it from sliding around. Nice thing is it does come in a another tube to prevent it from getting damaged, so thank you, Evike. Appreciate that one. stainless steel, 6.03 millimeter in diameter, and is 363 millimeters in length. And it all depends on how far you pull it, so, but if it's not too bad, it's pretty accurate. So yeah, 6.03, and if I pulled harder it was 6.04, but I don't think you're supposed to pull that hard on it. So it's true to diameter. It's no false advertisement from Evike yet. Anything else that I'm missing? Nope. So thank you for watching. I'll be taking a close-up photo of this and putting it at the end so you can see the names of the items that I got, the technical name. Routers. I'll be taking a close-up photo of this and putting it at the end so you can see the names of the items that I got, the technical name.
How'd you say thanks for watching?
Didn't I already say that?
Thanks for watching!